you cannot come and lecture us about why things have not happened, why we have not created the 2 million jobs we have promised to create, when you are the one who has brought confusion. You have come with alternative priorities that have put on hold everything we wanted to do under the Big Four. You have even told us that the Big Four is not a priority, that changing the Constitution is a priority. We want you to understand that the Jubilee administration decided on clear priorities. Unfortunately, we have been occupied with the changing of the Constitution to create a few jobs and a few positions for the big boys at the expense of creating the millions of jobs for ordinary citizens because of the change of priorities occasioned and the confusion brought about by the people who came from the other side, who are ungrateful. And today they are trying to lecture us. We want to tell them, friends, we welcomed you. Please have some manners.